Hi, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant. This is the Options Live Trading Room Trade of the Day for Thursday, July 18th, 2013. The trade of the day came in today, again, very close to the open, good opportunity. Normally looking for gap situations, things like that at the beginning, potential bearish and bullish divergences. But Apple on a 250 tick bar chart gave us a good opportunity today. You can see Apple gapped up at the open, proceeded to climb a little bit more, and then go sideways. When we were watching the MQ momentum profile, we see the histogram bars were very positive, and they increased, and then they started decreasing. The indicator line itself was very positive, slope was positive, and then it started to go sideways. Now at this point, usually what we watch for as the histogram bars are dropping, watching for prices to go sideways and then to break to the downside. Usually it gives us the opportunity to take a short position or purchase puts, because prices will fall and then continue downward to fill the gap. When it was a little unnerving with Apple today, because it actually continued sideways and then moved up a little bit. Sometimes Apple does this and then it breaks to the upside and continues to run. That's one thing we were watching for. Now the one thing is what we did was we actually took a position after we saw this golden doji formation here, and then we also saw that the histogram bars only reached this small green level here. Now in doing so, we purchased Delta 70 puts, and prices continued to go sideways. All the whole time what we're doing is watching to make sure this doesn't turn and run on us. But at this point we started to get weaker and weaker. Well, no upside momentum, weaker price action to the upside, and downside momentum increasing, and that's what we saw here. We continued down, we watched the slope of the indicator line, then we started selling at this point here, and then we saw that the histogram bars were still very strong, and then we saw that the histogram bars started to weaken. Now the one thing that we sometimes get is when we see prices weaken like this, we actually look for a momentum consolidation move, especially when we're below this trend line that was giving us some resistance and support previously. So we see that prices kind of roll over, and what we are looking for is a new low. See, at this point we have a higher low, equally high low, lower low. That's why we re-entered the position, purchased some more put contracts, and then prices continued to roll over, break below the low of this bar, continued downward, watch the indicator line, it continued down, and then when we saw that prices reached about the same low as the low of the open, we sold a number of our positions here, and then as prices broke below that, we sold some more here and here at the MQ trend dots. As you can see, it provided some support, and then as usual, and then prices rebounded from there. But we had exited the position pretty much completely right at this point here. Again, this is a very good trade. We took it in two stages, and between the two trades, trading roughly 3 to 4 contracts at a time, we profited nearly $450. Normally we trade much bigger size, but on this set of trades we traded about 1/3 the size. So this is normally a $1,500 to $2,000 move. But we still had a nice profit of roughly $500 on this trade. Never miss a trade again. Go ahead and click here to subscribe to us on YouTube. We have other Trade of the Day videos also available in options, in futures, and coming soon, Forex and equities. So again, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant, reminding you to keep your options open and your trades profitable.